If you want to stream movies on Discord, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can get it working smoothly. This is a simple guide, but there are a couple of important settings you need to change first to avoid lag, black screens, or audio issues. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the desktop app or your browser version that supports screen sharing. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the movie website or the media player you want to stream. This could be a browser-based movie site, a streaming platform, or a local video player on your computer. Before you actually go live, there are two very important things to do. The first is turning off hardware acceleration in your browser. This helps prevent display issues when you're streaming video content. To do that, open your browser settings, go to the System section, and find the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn that off, then refresh your browser so the change takes effect. This small step can make a big difference in stream stability. Next, you also want to turn off hardware acceleration in Discord itself. In Discord, open Settings, then scroll to Advanced. Find Hardware Acceleration and switch it off. After that, Discord will ask you to relaunch the app. Go ahead and relaunch it so the new setting is applied properly. Doing both of these steps helps reduce glitches and makes movie streaming much smoother. Now that the performance settings are adjusted, join a voice channel in your Discord server. Pick the channel where you want to stream the movie and make sure you have permission to use voice and screen sharing. Once you're inside the voice channel, look at the bottom left of Discord and click the screen icon. This opens the screen share menu. From here, Discord will ask what you want to stream. Select the browser window or the movie player window that has your video ready to play. Be careful to choose the correct window so viewers can see the movie and not your entire desktop, unless that's what you want. After selecting the window, you'll see options for stream quality and resolution. Choose a quality setting that matches your internet speed and your viewer's connection. If your upload speed is strong, you can use a higher resolution for a better viewing experience. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to start streaming. Discord will begin broadcasting the selected window to everyone in the voice channel. At this point, play the movie and let it run for a moment so you can test whether the stream is working properly. Now, ask your viewers if they can see and hear the movie correctly. This is an important check because sometimes the video may appear fine on your end, but viewers could be dealing with lag, no sound, or a blank screen. If anything seems off, you may need to recheck your browser settings, Discord settings, or stream quality. In many cases, lowering the resolution or changing the shared window can solve the problem quickly. And that's it. You now know how to stream movies on Discord from start to finish. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes really easy. Just remember to turn off hardware acceleration in both your browser and Discord, select the right window, and confirm that your viewers can see and hear everything properly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Discord tips, and I'll see you in the next one.